Well, it looks like we have a quorum. So I don't know where Brent went, but okay, we need to have a motion to come out of executive session.
So moved. Motion to come out.
Second, Booth.
Second, Booth, thank you. All in, everybody vote, please. I can see you all on one screen. Natalie, did you vote?
Yes, Booth.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're now out of executive session. Thank you, everyone. Board Member Norton.
Yep, I move that the board accept UPAC's consent calendar recommendations.
Second.
Second, the motion before the board approves the UPAC consent calendar recommendations. Please vote.
Hanson, yes.
Thank you.
We've got to make sure we get those that are abstaining.
There's no abstentions on that, Chair. So we're okay on that. That was unanimous.
Okay. In case number 17-1427, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
Second.
Second, so the motion before the board is that the board accepts the UPAC's recommendation in case number 17-1427. Please vote.
Hanson, yes.
Laura, I think that's one I abstained on.
It's not this one.
All right, thank you.
I wrote down which ones, Carol.
Thank you.
Okay, the voting is unanimous. Go ahead.
Okay, in case number 18-1471, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
Second.
Thank you. So the motion before the board is the board accept UPAC's recommendation 18-1471. Please vote.
Hanson, yes.
Looks like the voting is unanimous. Carol, did you vote on that one?
It's
It's that one. Yep. Okay, yours is the next one, Carol. Okay, go ahead.
In case number 20-1756, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
Second.
So the motion before the board is that the board accepts UPAC's recommendation in case number 20-1756. Please vote.
Hanson, yes.
It looks unanimous, civil, except with one recused by Board Member Lear.
Okay,
Go ahead.
in case number 21-1822, I move that the board accept UPAC's recommendation.
Second.
Thank you. So the motion before the board is that the board accept UPAC's recommendation in case number 21-1822 with Board Member Lear is going to be recusing yourself. Please vote.
Hanson, yes.
Thank you, Board Member Hanson.
Davis, yes.
Okay, that's unanimous. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to move now to the litigation motion. In regards to the USDP hearing, which occurred on Monday of this week, I move that the board approves the recommendation from the hearing officer's report.
Second.
Thank you. So the motion is that from the hearing Monday, the USDB hearing this Monday, that the board approves the recommendation from the hearing officer. Please vote.
Hanson, yes.
Unanimous. Go ahead.
Okay, we'll go to the appointments. I move that the board appoint Dave Mackey to the Utah High School Activities Association Appeal Panel, representing a panel member for an additional 3-year term.
Second.
Thank you. That the motion before the board is that the board appoints Dave McKee as the Utah High School Activities Association Appeals Panel for an additional 3-year term as a panel member. Please vote.
Yes. Hanson.
Thank you. It's unanimous. Thank you.
Okay. I move that the board appoint Susan Hara to the State Instructional Materials Commission, IMC, representing an elementary principal for an additional 4-year term.
Second.
Thank you. The motion before the board is the board appoints Susan Hara to the State Instructional Materials Commission for an additional 4-year term representing an elementary principal. Please vote.
Hanson, yes.
Thank you. The voting is unanimous. Thank you.
Okay, and now we do the U.S. Board Communications Coordinator.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I move that the board appoint Kelsey James to the Utah State Board of Education Communication Coordinator position.
Second.
Thank you. So the motion before the board is that the board appoints Kelsey James as the board communication coordinator. Please vote.
Hanson, yes. I don't think we're appointing though. We're hiring, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're hiring. We can restate the motion before and vote again.
I move that the board hire.
Point of
We
order.
do-
Just,
Point of
oh,
order.
does that have? So I'm just making sure. I don't remember when you hire, do you make that as a board motion? Or is that just a personnel issue?
No, the
It's a
board has to approve.
It's a board employee.
Mhm. Okay,
so
so the motion before the board is that the board
hire.
hire Kelsey James as the board communication coordinator.
Second.
Thank you. I was just restating, Kristen, what that you just did. Please vote again on that.
Hanson, yes.
Nice. There we go.
Okay, that looks unanimous. And everyone, thank you for your heavy lift today. It is 5:45. Enjoy dinner.
Did we do our consent calendar? I didn't check that box. Sorry.
Yes,
did?
we did, Chair.
Sorry.
Have a nice evening, everyone. See you tomorrow morning.
I'll move you later.
Thanks.